Firstly,
Yeah, what is the
first we
first thing?
must check if we must change the
We get
sign, what
critical
into
values.
critical value.
So we have 2x minus 3.
Yes.
We have x plus 5, which is going to be 0. Now there are brackets. Once there are brackets, we should check if we can apply the factor law. What do you think? Can we apply the factor law here? Zero factor law? We can.
Yes. Yes.
So we're going to have
Yes.
2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 5, which is going to be 0. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, how should I proceed?
On 2x minus 3, we must transpose the 3.
So we have 2x is equal to 3.
Yes.
Or
yes, then
x
we
is
divide
equal to,
oh -5.
okay, yeah, and then this side?
This side we divide by 2.
Divide by 2. It says x is going to be equal to 3 all over 2. Okay, we got our x1 and x2.
Yes.
X1 and x2. Represent them graphically.
Yes.
It says which we are going to have -5. We also
Yes,
have
and 3 over 2.
3 all over 2. Okay, are you
Yes.
going to have a smiley face or a sad face?
It's a smiley face.
How do you know?
Because when we multiply the x values, 2x times x is going to give us a positive 2x squared.
Okay, this one gives us a 2x squared. Ne? So we have a smiley face here. Okay, sharp.
Yes.
Now, why are they asking us here? Let's go and ask ourselves this question. What are they asking us here? Above the line or below the line? Less than?
Below the line.
So we're talking about below the line. Eh? Okay, now that we have below the line, we're going to come and shade below the line. Here's our solution. Our solution lies here. Is below the line. Eh? Now, below the line, look at how we're going to write the solution here. Since from me to go from number 1 to number 2, there's no break. Unlike the one that we're doing, let's look at this one above.
Yes.
The one that we did above, for me to go from number 1 to number 2, there's a break in between. The yellow was not continuous. It stopped somewhere, and then they became black. I had yellow, yellow, yellow. There was a break. Black, 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 and then I had yellow again. This one here,
Yes.
there's no break in between. Look at this here. For me to go from, because it's below the line, this is below or equals the line, below, 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 or touch the line because of the equal sign. So it's either below the line or at the line. So this one, this is how we're going to write it. We're going to write it this way. We're going to say, write the minus